when you get to about there, there's a little bit of tension on there. When the clock is running by itself, it will just stop right there. It will not go any further until you manually move it. Just a little bit of a nudge. And when the music plays, you can hear a clicking noise from the music box. And the weight appears to be off just a little bit. So somebody has a washer on there. This is the condition that we got it in. There's a crack right there as well that was repaired. Somewhere on the wood. But other than that, it is a nice clock. It does tick fine, no problem. You know, for the most part, it keeps time the way it's supposed to, except for when it gets stuck. And I'll show you again where that mark is. So you can see that works fine. And then when you get it up to about 5 of, right there, there's just some kind of tension on the mechanism itself of the timepiece, the movement, and it won't do anything. And then you push it past there, and then you can feel it settle in. And then again, there's a clicking with the music box. I want to just stick on that last note. So, beautiful clock, not perfect. Needs some work on the mechanism and the music box. Email me if you have any questions.